Treat mom to a breakfast in bed with perfect eggs.
Happy Mother's Day. If you're like me, and Mother's Day has often been riven with disappointment, I'm here to help. I'm going to show you, or perhaps your offspring, a simple, easy way to make mom happy on Mother's Day. This is especially for the single moms out there. I'm a widowed mom, and I have terrific memories of when my kids were younger and my husband and my kids would bring me breakfast in bed. Now it's on them, and maybe that's a lot of responsibility for a couple of teenagers. Whatever age you are, we want to do something nice for mom, and this is a simple, elegant thing to do. You're going to make them the perfect egg breakfast. It's what my husband used to call eggs for Daphne.
I start by getting some fresh basil from my garden. Just gonna give them a little help. Start with the butter. Okay, number one. Butter, more butter. Some eggs, just so they know where to go. So all the ingredients, very simple, but it really comes down to technique, which is what I learned so much from my husband, the late chef, Mark Peel, is the technique in the kitchen. You don't need fancy tools either. Knife and fork will do. Start with butter. A couple tablespoons of butter will do just fine. And then you want to cook it till it has that bit of a brown look. Now, gotta act quickly. The eggs go right in the butter. We're gonna do 3 eggs. And this is all very much inspired by French cooking. So, get that fork. Go. Quick. You can use half and half or cream. Eyeballing it about a tablespoon and a half. We'll add a little more later. Keep it moving. One of my big beefs is when you have eggs in restaurants. They're always like rubber. They're so overcooked. But good scrambled eggs should be very soft. So we'll put some salt in there. And as we're coming to the end, we're gonna add butter and cream again. Now this is for 2 reasons. 1, it's gonna make it creamier. And 2, it starts to cool the eggs down because they continue to cook even when you get them out of the pan. Some Parmesan, a little pecorino right there at the end. And then that's it, it's ready to plate. So this is why it's so important to have all your ingredients out before you start. And there's the little bit of basil. Add some crusty bread, and breakfast in bed is ready. A little flour, a little flourish of a nice tray wouldn't hurt. Mom deserves it, of course. You can add some bacon and sausage if you like, some crusty baguette, a buttered toast. But for me, just the eggs alone are all that's needed. It's so flavorful, so delicious. And unlike any egg you will ever find in even the best restaurants, because they tend to overcook them, whether it's because they are afraid of, health concerns or people being weirded out by it. Also, they got to get it to the table. But this is fresh and ready to mom.
And the real test of love, do they clean up the kitchen afterwards? The amount of times I had to come down from my breakfast in bed and clean the kitchen.
Happy Mother's Day.